Hey guys, it is Monique with Meals in Mouths, and thank you for coming to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back because you did not have to. And if you are new here, my name is Monique. I am the Melanin Foodie Travel Agent, as I call myself. I am a travel agent. I am a foodie. I love all things food. So my content will cover everything from travel information, travel hacks, travel tips, hotel reviews, restaurant reviews, and my recipes. So if you like any of that, please hit that subscribe button. Please like this video and share with your friends. Okay, today guys, we're going to talk about easy meals. Easy 30-minute meal. The recipe I'm bringing you today is cheesy Cajun grits with spicy sausage, onions, and peppers. When I say this is easy, it is literally easy. I know some people have a hard time cooking grits, and grits are not always the easiest thing to cook, but I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how to make this recipe in less than 30 minutes. Also, I know I said spicy. However, you can use whatever sausage you would like to use. I've did this recipe with turkey sausage. I've did it with chicken sausage. I've did it with beef smoked sausage. So don't let the spicy deter you from watching the video. You can use whatever sausage you would like. However, I chose to use Andouille hot spicy sausage. First tip, when cooking grits, your water needs to be boiling. Do not put grits in the pot before your water is boiling. If you do, the grits are going to absorb all of that water. They're going to swell and it's going to be thick and it's going to stick to the pot. Make sure your water is boiling before you put your grits in. First thing, bring your water and your chicken broth and butter to a boil and start to add in your seasonings. Onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning. For this recipe, we're only going to use 2 cups of grits. Grits will swell and absorb all the water in the pot. And once they swell, it'll be enough to feed about 4 to 5 people. So another tip for cooking grits is I use a whisk. I also cover my grits and let my grits cook about 3 minutes, and every 3 minutes I come back and pour in a little bit of water and stir them completely, kind of loosen the grits up, making sure that they cook evenly. Because if you just let your grits sit in a pot, they're going to become lumpy and they're not going to cook evenly. You might have some grits that are smooth, you have the others that are clumped together. So about every 3 minutes I come back, I pour a little water in. When I say a little water, maybe 1/4 of a cup of water into your pot, stir, cover back up. As you can see, the grits are becoming smooth and they're no longer looking grainy. That lets me know that my grits are almost done. So what I like to do is add in a cup of milk to finish off my grits. It makes them creamy, and as you will see here, the texture becomes extremely smooth.
now that your grits are done, you're going to start your sausage in a medium skillet. Add your olive oil. Temp is on medium. Adding your onions. You're also going to add in your peppers, as well as your garlic. Some fresh cracked black pepper. Stir your veggies until they are soft. Once your veggies are soft, you're going to add in your sausage and cook until they're done.